friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real Path creates victory.
Today I am going to show how to register SBI Net Banking facility online without visit. You can use your mobile or computer for registration. For online creation of net banking, username and password, you should have registered mobile number and PIN. Firstly, open Chrome browser and search the keyword SBI Online Banking. Click and open the website www.onlinesbi.com. Then click Continue to login. This is the login page of SBI official website. For registration of new user, click the option New User Register. Click OK. Then click Next. Fill the details carefully. Enter your account number, CAF number, branch code, country, registered mobile number and facility required. Here CAF number is a unique 11-digit customer number you will get from passbook or from your branch. You will also get branch code from your passbook or Google search. You must select full transaction right for facility required. Then finally enter the CAPTCHA and submit the form. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP here and confirm. Select the first option. I have my ATM card. Then submit. Select your ATM card and enter the ATM details here carefully. Card number, expiry date, card holder name and your 4-digit ATM secret PIN. Then type the CAPTCHA and click proceed. Just wait sometimes. Do not refresh the page. Enter a new username here as you wish. Then click username availability. If the username is not available, try another one. Then accept the terms and condition. Enter a strong login password here. The important criteria for creating a new password are the password length must be between 8 to 60 digit and it must include one capital letter, one special character minimum. Create a new strong password and submit it. The username and password is very important for login your account. Don't forget and keep the password securely. Then return back to login page and enter your new username and password here. Click login. Then set your profile password here. The profile password is also important one because for adding beneficiary, for requesting new ATM and checkbook etc. Enter a new strong password here. Then select a security question and answer it. The security question help us to recover your forgotten profile password. Enter your date of birth and place of birth here and submit the form. You will get an activation code and you can register SBI Net Banking facility through this method. I think this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.